Hello, this is Nara from Leto Designs. Today we are going to talk on how to make a video ad with music to sell your products using Canva. If you use videos for Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, or other platforms, this is the right software, Canva, in order to create very easy videos. Right now we are in the platform from Canva. We're gonna go where it says videos and we're gonna click it. Once we click it, you're gonna see different styles. This is the different layouts for the different platforms that you can use, such as Pinterest, Instagram, or in my case, I will be using Facebook video. The measure for this is 1080. Keep in mind the measures. In this case, it's 1080 by 1080 pixels. I'm gonna click create. Once you create the blank page, you have the option in the tool here to choose a background. You have appearance, gradients, nature, texture, whatever you need. In my case, I'm gonna use a plain since it's gonna be for a coloring page. I'm gonna hit upload and I'm gonna start using my first illustration. This is the illustration and I'm gonna go to test in order to explain what is my product about it. Then I'm gonna use the text in here and I'm gonna start typing what is my product about it. I'm gonna put a tropical Christmas. Let me choose the font, something a little bit more strong. And I'm gonna reduce the size to 60. Make it a little bit more small and I'm gonna continue typing. Animals, coloring, pages, which is my product. Let me center here. And then you're gonna see these little three dots, which is gonna help us either to add a page, duplicate, delete, or lock the page, or to choose the timing. I will choose 1.5, and for the animation, I'm gonna click the illustration, animate, and then you have a choice for the page or the photo. I'm gonna choose the photo animation. Then you have different choices like the rise, the pan, the fade, the pop, wipe, breathe, drift, many different choices. In my case, I will choose a pan. Then I will go and duplicate the page. I'm going to remove the title. I'm going to remove the illustration and I'm going to go to upload. And I'm going to choose my color illustration so people can see that it's in black and white and I have a color. Make sure it's 1.5, animate again, and in my case, pan. Then let me duplicate. Again, I will remove this, go to uploads, and I'm going to start with my backgrounds. This is the black and white background here. Make sure it's 1.5 or the size that you want. Animated and pan. Let me duplicate. Remove this and bring the color ones so people can see it comes the backgrounds in color too. 1.5, animated and pan. Let me duplicate this. Remove this. And let me bring now the black and white background with a character. 1.5, animated and pan again. Let me duplicate this again. Remove this and then I will bring the background with the character in color. Now at the end you have a choice to add a page or again continue to the duplicate. I will choose a duplicate. Then I will remove this, and I'm gonna add the text in order to explain what the point for my video is about it. Then I will add the text. Let me put it here. Since it's gonna be for the Black Friday or the Christmas, I'm gonna put grab now this coloring pack or 50%, let me put in capital, off. Since I want to attract the attention for the 50% off, let me make it a little more stronger. Let me bring it a little bit more down. And I will add more time so people can, like 3.0. And the animation for the test. You have different, like we say, the page animation and the test animation. In this case, it's the test animation. You can have different choices again, the pan, the fade, the pop, whatever you feel comfortable. Let me choose a typewriter. Now, in order to add the audio, you go again to the toolbar in here and you choose audio. If you have, let me go back in. If you have Canva Pro, you can choose the Canva Pro. But if you have a free account, then go to the dots in here, choose free, and click apply. We'll choose, let's see, advertising. Video. Let me go here to the top in order to check how my video came out. You may not listen to music in this video, but when you create the video, you will be hearing the music. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video helped you a lot in order to sell your products. Thank you again, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.